So I said I was gonna do the intake manifold today. That turned out not doing it because it took too long putting the Impala back together to put the transmission back in. So instead of doing that, since I can kind of do that tomorrow, why not let's just get these painted. Come on, there we go. Let's get these painted, make them look a lot better, so when I put them on, you know, they won't look rusted, because these, the ones that are on there, I mean, they're dirty, but they're not rusted. So let's get that all nice and pretty and put it up in there. So let's get back here and get these knocked out. So I'm probably going to hit it with the primer first and come back with the black. So let's get started. What's up, YouTube? I am wet right now. This is really bad. Like, my butt's soaking wet, my arm is soaking wet, man. It's just, I've been cleaning. Okay, so we recently put on the suspension for the truck. You know, y'all saw everything from the prior video. We put the suspension on. We put the headers on, the full exhaust on. We put the coilovers on, the shackles, the shocks. But I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. I'm gonna show y'all everything that we put on so you can get a better understanding. I had to clean it all up because the day we was at the shop, I could not record it, man. It was just so much to do, so much to get done in so little time. And also, we never got to do this before. So we didn't know what we were doing and how we were gonna do it. But I'm about to show you what we did. Start at the back since it's the least amount of stuff. Okay, so we put there, I don't know, it's the Belltech Performance Street Shocks. We put those on, and then we put those shackles on. But if you use the same kit, you're gonna have to angle the bumper. You gotta angle the bumper to get to that top bolt. And honestly, I think it was both bolts on both sides. So we put the shackle on, got that, took the old stuff off, put the shock on. And honestly, I think that's all we did back here, because it wasn't a flip kit. And you see it's still in the same angle. It's not, we had to cut the bump stop and cut this out. That all this is still here, which is the reason why I wanted to do this 3.3 kit, because you'll see in a later video what we got coming for y'all. So you'll understand then. But at the same time, man, if I want to tow something, I want to still be able to tow. I understand low looks good and all that, but I still want the truck to be a truck at the same time. But I'm gonna just show you the other side, and you're gonna see part of the new exhaust. So let me flip. So like I said, the street shock, the shackles up there, I mean, stock brakes. Actually, I need to check them. They look good to me. I won't have to change them anytime soon. That's the muffler. And then let's go to the fun side. So, as you can see, we have the coilover here. It's the coilover and then the sway bar. That's basically all this kit came with. Oh, it came up with upper control arm bushings, which are right here. Let me zoom in. All right, so I went and I bought these off of another guy. His truck was a little rusted, so I went and I painted them. They look like crap, but I just wanted them to be black and not rusted, because the lower control arm is perfectly black. But these bushings, they kind of got paint on them. It's fine, but you'll see that, you know, it's offset. So now I can put more angle in it and get the camber out of my truck, so I can stop looking like a big ass Honda Civic. But yeah, so let's go up under the hood now. Zoom back out. Okay, so y'all remember when I was showing y'all all my intake manifolds and stuff? This is the L86. So to give you an update, Pat G has already tuned the truck. Truck is tuned. DOD's off, or I don't know what they call it now, but we're gonna call it DOD. We got the coder intake on, piping. This is the LT1 throttle body, the L98. Yeah, L98 intake manifold. What else? Catch can been there. and then the lovely headers. And I'm gonna show you more of the piping because you know we went with the X pipe on this setup. All right, so you should be able to see a little bit of it up there. And like I said, I've been washing the truck, trying to get it all nice and clean from driving it for a couple weeks. It's a late video, really late video. Just been so much stuff going on. I haven't been motivated, but I got to get this content to y'all so it can get posted. Nobody's doing this type of stuff and showing y'all how to do it. But the next time I do a truck, I'll make a video on how to do it since I neglected to do it the day that we did install it. But let me see if I can angle this correctly. Okay, so y'all see the X right here. So basically it swoops over underneath the oil pan, the trans pan, and it comes across and it runs back here, runs back there, and they dumped it to the muffler. So, and these are also the wheels you saw in the package. Man, me and these wheels been through a lot. I've been through 3 different tires. It's been crazy with this truck after we did all this stuff. It's like, man, it's been crazy. But they just need to be cleaned up. The whole truck needs to be washed. Man, it's been real crazy. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the truck as it sits before I start doing some crazy stuff. Man, but I've been happy with it. It runs pretty strong now since it's tuned. I've been really happy with it. I haven't had any complaints. But yeah, I mean, I think that's the only thing other than the cutter intake manifold, and throttle body, the headers. That's it. That's literally it. That's all we got. But we need to get it off this baseline and yeah, get it going. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, and we'll go into more detail about other things later. But like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, comment too. Please comment. Learn something. I'm here. I'm also learning too. So comment some stuff that I might have said something wrong. But you know, talk to y'all later. Deuces. Okay, so I almost forgot something. I don't know how I forgot. So I already put the wheels back, but I'm finna show you the one last thing that I think, other than the coilovers, this truck turns and it's crazy. It's no wheel hop. It doesn't want to bounce around on the road. This truck is low-key insane, but I'm finna show you what also makes it so good. Like, I want to take it to the track. Once I put my brakes on, I want to take it to the track and see how good it can be. But here it is. This stupid freaking sway bar. Like, the stock one is thick. This is even thicker. This is what's so crazy. But I think that also keeps that truck from swaying left to right like it would, like when it was stock. But this thing here is crazy. But yeah, that's all the suspension. That's all that's left. So hopefully we'll get it realigned soon. Oh man, I never noticed that. It's been rubbing the fender liner. And then it's like a cloth one. So it just rubbed it bare. But I mean, that's what it is when you sit low. Oh, okay. But yeah, so like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends, comment, please comment, learn something, teach me something. I'm new to this truck world. I'm toqueando, toquache, elka, you know, that's all this new stuff to me. So I kind of want to open up to the Hispanic market because the Hispanics run this. This is them. I want to learn something. I really want to learn because there's things about this truck that I want to do, but I'm not 100% on it. So like, share, subscribe, comment, share, everything, man. Please help your boy. But I'll holler at y'all.